Hi, it's Phil from Inclusive Music, teaching the world to make music with BandLab. And in this very short video, I'm going to show you how to start a lo-fi hip-hop beat. Let's do this. Here's an example. Okay, very simple. What did I do? So I went into BandLab and found Lo-Fi Hip Hop Volume 2. Clicked on it. These are the options: bass, drums, effects, guitar, horns, keys, percussion. So first of all, let's create a track. Go into BandLab and browse loops. Up on the right hand side, you can see everything that's available. It's now grouped into packs, and if you like lo-fi, you've got a choice of 4 packs at the moment. So I'm going to start with Lo-Fi Hip Hop Volume 2, and I can audition it there. And if I like it, I'm going to click on anywhere here in the picture. Here are the samples to choose from, and I want to start with lo-fi drums. I always like starting with the drums. Lots to choose from. The one I liked was number 6. Let's have an audition. Click. Once you've got one you like, you simply click, hold and drag, and then move it along. I'm going to have 4 bars, so I'm going to extend this or copy it to bar 5. I'm going to put the loop on here, and that'll cycle it around like this. Perfect. Okay, my next choice was a bass. Plenty to choose from again, and the one I liked was number 12, Lo-Fi Bass 12. Okay, I'm going to drag that in and drop it underneath. Then move it to bar 1 and extend it to bar 5. And although it says bar 5, this now makes it a 4-bar piece of music. Let's have a listen, see if they work together. Oh yeah. Lovely. Okay, so lastly, I keep this very simple. I'm going to go to a guitar. Now, lo-fi bass 12, you can see here it's at 85 beats per minute and it's in the key of C minor. Now this is important. This helps us to find another sound, another loop, another sample that sounds good together. So I was looking for a guitar part that's in C minor, and some are in E minor, but the one I want needs to be in C minor. That's the one I like, so I'm going to drag it in. Now, of course, I've spent time listening to all of these before, and I've chosen this one just for speed. Okay, I'm not going to put it at the beginning this time. I want it to come in at bar 3. Let's rewind and have a listen. Very nice. So before I save it, I'm going to call it Lo-Fi Hip Hop, and for me I'm going to put 4 bars at the moment, and the tempo 85 BPM, and in the top right corner save. If I wanted to find that, I could exit, and depending on if I'm in BandLab for Education, I'd still go to my library, and there it is, Lo-Fi Hip Hop 4 bars, 85 beats per minute. That's how easy it is to make music in BandLab. I'm going to be doing other videos in different formats: trap, punk, disco, you name it. But it's as simple as that. Till the next time, keep making music.